Hey guys, Lou J Bro out in Lake Havasu. Hope you're having a great morning so far. Hey, we're gonna go check out a home that's under construction for a client of mine. It's a 4-bedroom, 4-bath. It's supposed to be done in the beginning of June. It's over 3,000 square foot, and it's got a massive 84-foot deep double RV garage with a 14-foot drive-through door. It's walled all the way around. It's in the residential estates area. Great location at the end of a cul-de-sac on a 22,000 square foot lot. So it's a pretty nice looking house. We're gonna go check it out, see where they are in the process, and just shoot a couple pictures. So anyways, hang out with us, check it out, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're out here at 2012 Burke Lane, the residential estates. This is going to be completed at the beginning of June. It's a 4-bedroom, 4-bath. It's got an 84-foot deep RV garage, double wide. Let's see, a 22,000 square foot lot. Out here checking it out. Let's head on in and just kind of see what we can see at this point. So it looks like they'll have all the walls are already in. So there isn't a ton of backyard, but there's definitely enough for a nice sized pool. So this is a drive-through. Door's probably 11 feet high. So this 2-car side's 36 feet deep, 9-foot doors, 24.5 foot wide as well. This thing's like an aircraft hangar. It's a huge garage. Hey guys, it's Lou back with you. Hope you enjoyed that quick little video of the house over on Burke. There's still time to pick out granite, carpet, tile, a couple little things. The kitchen package and cabinets has already been ordered. It's all, nice stuff. But anyways, I'll put a link to the listing right below this video so you can click on it, get pics as they come available, and listing price and availability and all that. If there's anything I can do to help, just let me know. I'll also put my direct contact information right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.